Hey people, and for this round, we're going to show you how to fix the 1603 install error in the Epic Games Launcher. So I recommend the most thorough option first, and that is by uninstalling and reinstalling the program. And the way to do that is to go down to our Windows search bar down at the bottom, type in add or remove programs, just type in the Epic Games Launcher, and if you see this, just click on the three dots beside it and click uninstall. Then go back to their official site and reinstall the launcher. Now if that doesn't work, what we have to do is to find the Epic Games Launcher executable. And the way to do that is to go to our Epic Games Launcher shortcut, open file location, and from here, right click on the icon, show more options, go to properties, go to security, go to edit, and down here, make sure that the allow box for write is checked. Click apply, press OK. Now let's go to compatibility. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Once all that's done, just hit apply and it should run. If that still doesn't work, there is a workaround we can do, and let's go over to the store page, and what we need to do is look for Fall Guy. Yes, Fall Guys. And then we just need to tick this box, place your order, view in my library, install, and it's only 6 gig, so let's click install. And once the installation is done, just click on the three dots right here, click on manage, and beside installation, this folder right here, open install location, let's go there. And once here, you're going to find a folder Epic Online Services. Now we want to open this up, and then we want to close our Epic Games Launcher. Just make sure that it is closed by going to the task manager, and make sure to end task on the Epic Games Launcher. Once that's done, go back to this Epic Online Services installer and run it. And once that's done, the 1603 install error should now be fixed. Now I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, maybe leave a like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.